The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are at odds over the zoom camera. Now we're getting additional information regarding Samsung's telephoto enhancement, as well as an improved display. You may have heard that Apple will eventually include a periscope zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, giving that device a 6x optical zoom, a significant improvement over the iPhone 14 Pro Max's present 3x zoom. But Samsung isn't standing still when it comes to cameras. According to leaker S24, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a new 3x 50-megapixel sensor to go along with the current 10x zoom camera. The previous Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 10-megapixel 3x zoom telephoto camera, so this is a significant resolution boost. Universe claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be able to produce excellent 5x zoom picture quality with its upgraded sensor. Notably, the Google Pixel 7 Pro has a 48-megapixel 5x telephoto zoom camera, so Samsung may be playing catch-up here. A zoom SAP is expected to be included in the Pixel 8 Pro. The most puzzling revelation from S24 is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will eventually receive an improved screen, but what does that mean? According to one source, Samsung may opt to enhance the refresh rate on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to 144 Hz, which would be a big bump from the present 120 Hz and likely make people looking for the best gaming phones extremely pleased. Another claim in a Korean magazine suggests that the Galaxy S24 series would include M13 OLED panels. The new M13 OLED display material is expected to be thinner and of greater quality than previous panels. Although the iPhone 16 is believed to use the same display technology, there's no disputing that an iPhone 15 Pro Max against Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra showdown would be the one to look out for in the future. Stay tuned for all the newest speculations and leaks surrounding S24 Ultra, especially given how they'll be pitted against one another. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.